Digestion and absorption. Food is one of the basic requirements of all living organisms. Without food, we cannot think for life. एग्जाम्पल, अगर पिकनिक को गए तो जब फूड लेके जाते हैं, दैट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. The major component of our food are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. These are essential substances for in our food. Vitamins and minerals are also required in small quantities. This line is very important. Vitamins and minerals required in small quantities. They are responsible for our growth and many things. Food provides energy. Energy. Food provides energy. The food we eat digests and comes into the cells and gives rise to energy in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. And food provides organic materials for growth and repair of tissues. Organic materials means hydrocarbons. Here, carbon and hydrogen containing substances are called hydrocarbons, and these are also called organic materials, which are responsible for growth and repair of tissue. The water we take in plays an important role in metabolic processes. Here this means water plays an important role in metabolism. Metabolism consists the anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism means formation of something and catabolism is breakdown of something. Anabolism here means the bonds are formed which give rise to water and release water, and this is important. This water is important in metabolic processes. Catabolism, some enzymes give water and break the bonds between the elements, and the water is responsible here also. Therefore, water is essential in metabolic processes and also prevents dehydration of body. As we see earlier in the chapter, the diseases which caused in digestive system like diarrhea and vomiting reduces water in our body and give rise to dehydration of our body. The water in our body is in percentage 70 to 90% as reference to biomolecules. Therefore, the water is also responsible for to prevent the dehydration of body. Biomacromolecules in food cannot be utilized by our body in their original form. Biomacromolecules. Bio means living and macro means the big molecules cannot be utilized. This means the biomacromolecules have to be converted into simpler form. Then the body will absorb them. They have to be broken down and convert into simple substance in the digestive system. And this is called the digestion. As we see the definition of digestion here, this process of conversion of complex food substance to simpler absorbable form is called digestion. The complex substances like starch we eat converts into simple and absorbable form, that is glucose, which can easily absorb in our body. This process is called digestion, and the conversion of starch into glucose is an example of this process and is carried out by our digestive system by mechanical. Here the mastication means chewing of food or churning of food into the stomach, and biochemical methods means the involvement of enzymes. which are essential in our digestive system, and they are pH specific. pH specific. The general organization of human digestive system is shown in the figure. Here, this is the figure. This is mouth, the starting of digestive tract, the oral cavity, also known as buccal cavity. Um, there are glands outside the buccal cavity, the parotid gland, submaxillary gland, and submandibular gland present in the sublingual region. The pharynx consists of three parts: the mm, oropharynx, laryngopharynx, and nasopharynx. Esophagus. Then there is a stomach, which has also four parts. We see in the latter parts this pancreas, liver contains gallbladder. Then the small intestine starts after the stomach. This contains duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. After the ileum, there is a cecum in which the vermiform appendix is present, which is a vestigial organ in our body. Then the colons are ascending colons, which means they are going ascending direction. Transverse colon, they are moved in transverse direction. Descending colon, like this, and sigmoid colon means S shape. This is like you see. Then the rectum, which is a storage of means the temporary storage of waste material, and the anus, through which the excretion or the products are excreted. So here we see the first paragraph of the digestion, and on the latter parts we will see the another paragraphs or another headings of this chapter. Good luck.